Hey guys, this is a day in the life of a locksmith. Today's job is to make keys to a rooftop door hatch as they lost their keys. Obviously, I unpicked the lock, but the door closer was completely rusted, so I had to remove it.
Good morning, darling. I see you falling. In and out of love, is it because you're cold and heartless? Or is it all withdrawals? Forgotten how to be your partner. That final scene in Casablanca, I guess the heart is like a time bomb. No white horse for you to ride on. Bygones, but bygones, my God, you're beautiful. If it was two of you, probably break the first one's heart in two. But second time to charm, I had a dream. You lock your father's arm and mosey down the highway.